Today I want to talk to you about the best concealer, in my opinion, for fine lines and wrinkles. It is what I'm wearing right now. This thing I just got from the drugstore. It is the Maybelline New York Instant Anti-Age Eraser Multi-Use Concealer. I cannot tell you guys enough how much I love this concealer already. I just got it and I'm literally obsessed with it. It is better than some of my $30, $40 concealers that I have, and especially if you're like me and you are struggling with fine lines, wrinkles, just aging in general, which I definitely am really struggling with that. I'm gonna be 25 very soon in 2 months, and I can't wrap my mind around aging. I'm not going out with grace. I'm going down like kicking and screaming, so. If you're like me and you just need a concealer that will help you hide those, anything that you might be insecure about, this is amazing. I'm just gonna show you really quick how, I know it may seem silly, but I just wanna show you how it works because I needed a minute to figure it out. So you twist at the top. Be careful that you don't add too much product, although it would be like almost impossible because this product is like as light as air and it just applies like a dream. It comes with this little applicator already on it, and this blends so well, so beautifully. It doesn't feel like normal concealers do. Not normal concealers, but a lot of other concealers are so thick, and what tends to happen is that when you layer all of that product onto your fine lines or anywhere where you have a lot of movement, what happens is that actually creates a larger gap because you're pushing that product away and creating a larger, more noticeable fine line. So you don't even have to set this, to be completely honest with you, but if you set it, it is going to last a little bit longer. To set it, I had a little bit of a hard time looking for a good translucent powder at the drugstore, but something that I would definitely recommend is the Kat Von D setting powder in the shade Translucent. It is this beautiful off-white color. It's like a very light beige. It is translucent, but it's not so white where you're going to get those extremely bright white patches. But yeah, I can't tell you guys enough how much I love this product, and I really, really hope that this is helpful for you. Trust me, I get it. Like it's hard to have fine lines and wrinkles, and it's not an easy thing to get older. So if you are looking for something to help you with that, this is it. This is it. I really hope that that's helpful for you guys. I hope that you love this product. Let me know. This is not like, I mean, I just got this at the drugstore. Maybelline obviously isn't paying me to say this or anything. I just really genuinely really want to share this product with you because it helps me. So I hope it'll help you guys also. And that's it. That's all I wanted to say. Anyway, enjoy the rest of your day, you guys. Bye. Love you so much.